All right, welcome back, y'all. Here's my next experiment. So there you can see it. It is gonna be it's gonna end up being a coin rack, but this is gonna be the plat that's gonna be standing up for everybody to see, and then there will be a coin rack in front of it. A buddy of mine asked me if I could do it. I needed some practice, so here goes. This is going to be my first time trying to carve a base relief, which is the outline of what you see, and then the design inside, kind of something I came up with. We're going to see if I'm doing this on a maple, and I think what I might do is I might spray paint black paint over it and then let it dry so that the letters pop better, and then we'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'll let you know how the carve goes. I'll show you a little bit of the start, during, and after of the carve. Let me know what you think. Well, folks, here's the outcome. It doesn't look bad. Still learning. What I ended up doing was spraying it down with spray paint to give the engraving a contrasting color to what the natural look of the wood is. But whatever, I think this is white oak, and therefore the pores of the wood are really deep. I think I'll have to sand this heavily if I want to use this for engraving, or I actually think I might change it to a maple, because I don't think maple has as deep of pores as you can see. If I sand it any further, I'm going to start taking away the vector images, as you can see I started to do right here, which is taking away the chain on the anchor. So I'm gonna have to recarve this, but this was a scrap, and that was half the reason I did it on a scrap, was to test it. And overall, I think it looks awesome. However, some tweak and peak. I need to pick some better material. I gotta redo my perimeter vector so that I actually carve out and don't leave this little shelf here. But again, part of the learning curve of figuring out how the CNC does what it does, and hopefully makes nice signs like this in the end. Anyways, if you liked seeing me get to this point, go ahead and give me a like. Otherwise, I'm gonna put up some more. Remember, April 1st, I'm gonna do a 2-month review of my CNC machine, and whoever gets the closest to what they think the dollar value I spent on putting this thing in, I'll build you a sign. Here's an example. Any sign you want, something of this size. This is, roughly, I don't know, 15 by 8, 17 by 9, something like that. But if you want something, a plaque for your office, anything like that, check out my CNC demo and setup video and leave a comment. Guess how much you think I spent on that setup as I showed it in that video, and you might win a sign, something like this, or I don't know, maybe a sign for your kid's room or something like that. But I was doing this for a friend of mine, so there it is. If you like it, let me know, leave a comment, check out the links there or there, wherever they show up. Thanks. Have a good one.